more signs or 10 on my side and 10 on my side of Libra. What is up, guys? So today I'm gonna tell you how to run a Reddit suicide method for OFM. Before starting, let me tell you what the expenses will be and how much you're going to spend. Also, if you're not ready to spend a lot of money and maybe lose a lot of money, then there's no point. Then there's no point for you to actually continue watching this video. But this is a method to get fast subscribers, like I don't know, like around 50, 100 per day instantly when you get a model. So let me show you the actual expenses. The actual expenses. The first ones are proxies. So the proxies matter a lot in this method, so you don't get banned fast. Um, so basically, what that means is that if you have a bad proxy, once you log into the accounts, you're gonna get banned instantly, and you're gonna see what I mean. I recommend grid panel mobile proxies. I said they're the best, but they're not the best. But they are basically the best to start off with, and then you can just move forward with private suppliers, private providers. So let's say you pay around $60 monthly for unlimited proxies. This is how much I think it's on grid panel, but I think in private providers they're gonna be around 80, maybe 100. So let's get to the second part. Accounts. No, there's a catch as well. So you either run this on blanks, which are the accounts that are aged, but there's no karma, but you need to target subreddits. So you need to target subreddits that got zero karma requirements, which can take you a lot of time. But there's public databases with free subreddits. If not, you gotta buy cracked accounts or cookies. So when you buy cracked accounts, they're accounts that are stolen by other people, and you use that to promote yourself. I think it's a little bit unethical, but this is what it is working, because they last between like 6 to 48 hours. I said this, but it's you can get banned instantly. This is what I meant. So the proxies matter. I test this, and you get banned instantly if the proxy is not good. And you got karma on the account already, which lets you post in what subreddit you want. So you can, I don't know, you pay around $10, $15, and you get accounts with, I don't know, 100k karma, 50k karma, 5k karma. It's pretty random. It depends on the provider. If you need them, I actually sell them as well. Blanks can be around $3 to $6. Um, so yeah, the upvotes. There's the next thing. It's the upvotes. 1,000 upvotes are around like $10, and you do around 50, 100. There's people. It's a bit controversial. There's people doing it for like they do around the 500 per post, but I don't really recommend you, because you're gonna. So it's better to test the proxies and the blank account provider, the how do you say, the cracked and the proxy. Like I said, that's what I mean. So there's no point. So there's like 0.5 $1 per post, 5 10 posts per account, 5 cracked accounts around 50, maybe more than that daily. Um, just on the suicide method. But there's no point doing with only 5 like cracked accounts, only if you start off it. But there you need to use more than 5. So how do we run this method now? So if we just got everything like proxies, accounts, upvotes, how do we run this method now? It's pretty simple. You just suicide the accounts, just like how it says suicide method. You just suicide them. You're just gonna do like posts, and then you're gonna get banned. But you're gonna try to grab as many subscribers as possible. Now you niche your model or find subreddits that your model will perform. So let's say you have goth or emo, you're gonna find subreddits to related to that. You post like 5 to 10 posts. Also, don't post like in 1 minute like 10 posts, because you're gonna get banned instantly. Then you just upvote each one of them into like how much I said, like 50, 100, like 50, yeah, 50, 100. Then that's the whole method. Plus some tips I'm gonna list below. It's pretty simple, but you're gonna like burn some money at the beginning. So you can see how it works. So work on your funnel. Add the pin post on the profile with the link, or redirecting them to your link in bio, like saying, "Oh, look, I don't really chat in here. Don't message me. Check my link in bio." This actually helped me so much. Like, I had the no joke, I had the one blank account I was doing this on, and then I had like zero subscribers, getting from that account. The moment I posted this thing, like, "Oh, look, I don't really answer DMs here. I know you guys DM'd me a lot. You can check the link in bio." I swear, bro, I got like 10 plus subs instantly almost. Also, don't do many actions on the cracked accounts because it will get you banned. So if you just go like change mail or try to, obviously you're not supposed to do that, but if you change the mail, the name, the everything at once, you're gonna get banned. That's the whole suicide strategy. It's about investing and looking at the return of investment. That's it. I know people investing like 10K, they get around 15, 20K profit. This is just something like meta ads, you just invest a lot, if you enjoyed the whole video, also please leave a like and comment and subscribe, please. I would appreciate it. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah. Also join the Telegram where I'm dropping daily source. Daily source is gonna be in the bio. See you guys.